Welcome to a new 4 vs 4 battle between Lionheart, Saladin, WAZIR, Frederick against Wolf, ABBOT, EMIR and the CALIPH.
The sides are drawn.
Alright, so here's Lionheart, WAZIR, Saladin and Frederick, and at the other side CALIPH, ABBOT and Wolf and the EMIR.
We are under attack.
Once more.
Yeah, it's this time again with aggressive eyes. Okay, here are the first attacks. I guess the top will be also the first attacks. Yeah, ABBOT goes for an attack. Okay, EMIR's castle is already open. And yeah, Wolf should also go soon for his attack. Yeah, I feel like EMIR already gets a lot of pressure here from both WAZIR and Lionheart. The Palace Castle has a double wall, which is definitely an advantage. Okay, and here's Wolf's attack. The Wolf's attack is not that effective if his troops are just on EMIR's walls. Also, Frederick is not doing that well, to be honest. Let's see what the greatest lord is. Gets Saladin and then followed by the Wolf. I mean, for Frederick, it could get dangerous at some point. I mean, they're already in the castle. And CALIPH's attack is also now coming. Wait, this might be over now for Frederick. Okay, Saladin goes for his attack.
A message from Emperor Frederick. So, this is the day the Empire loses its emperor.
Okay, didn't expect that, to be honest.
A message from the CALIPH.
Or at least not so quickly, I would say. Okay, let's see how much gold EMIR has. I think he pulls 5,000. So yeah, if he wants a lot of gold, it might be dangerous in Frame 2 because of WAZIR's and Lionheart's pressure. Oh, wait, ABBOT is burning. Okay, with another attack from Lionheart. Okay, now ABBOT and CALIPH are attacking Saladin, while Saladin at the same time goes for his attack. Okay, now attack from the WAZIR. Now EMIR rendered of gold and with I guess attack soon with almost 400 troops, but first with attack from the ABBOT. I think ABBOT and CALIPH together will beat SALADIN in the long term here. Especially because ABBOT with aggressive fires is much stronger than usually. Okay. This might be the end for the EMIR. Okay, he barely survived now. And we have Wolf's attack. I think the next landed attack might defeat the EMIR. Okay, never mind. Landed is burning. But his troops are still going for the attack. I mean, yeah, fire can just cause so much damage in Crusader. Like, what is this? Like, the Leonhard still is gold, so he will get back on his feet, I guess. Okay, let's see how Leonhard's attack will go against EMIR. The castle is open. I mean, EMIR's king is very weak now, so this might be even enough to beat him. Okay, but he survived because of the fire. And Saladin definitely has to hold on until EMIR is defeated, but I think Saladin will hold it. Again, with over 400 troops. Let's see. Yeah, for CALIPH and ABBOT it will still take a little bit of time until they attack. And Wolf comes with his next attack. Okay, EMIR's castle is once again open. Okay, and Leonhard stopped burning. I will do a quick save here.
Saving.
Okay, and WAZIR is going now for his next attack. And also Leonhard, and I guess this will be over then for the EMIR. So Saladin attacks. Okay, now the ABBOT attacks Saladin at the same time, while Saladin attacks.
A message from the EMIR. Things aren't going so well.
What is this fire here?
Still, never mind.
Actually, the fire just saves him here. But okay, there's still troops to come, so probably not. Or maybe the fire indeed will save him. Yeah, the troops just die in the fire, and EMIR survives. Okay, and I guess Saladin's attack got offended too, and Abbot's attack. Okay, EMIR might die also from the archers. To be honest, CALIPH doesn't look that strong. He also has no gold. Only 100 troops. Okay, maybe Saladin's attack was effective against him. Okay, these 3 pikemen could have just defeated the EMIR. So yeah, so we have 3 versus 3. Again, already next Saladin attack. Yeah, with the EMIR might just die from the archers. Okay, actually, now Lana comes with an actual attack. Okay, also Wolf goes for his attack. I guess I just watch first, like, how EMIR will die.
A message from the EMIR.
Oh, Blue Thunder! Mother told me to be more careful. Still, a better life awaits.
Also, this might be dangerous now for the CALIPH.
From the Lionheart. Sound the fanfare. The royal armies are victorious once more.
But I think he has a lot of fire defense, so he might sclap it. Okay, CALIPH's king already has to fight, and he does not survive it. Okay, pretty big attack from the wolf here.
A message from Saladin.
As it must be. Another has fallen. We are under attack.
Also, this castle is not so easy to break in, to be honest. And of course the fire defense. Okay, wait for a moment. Here it goes now for the attack. I mean, this is not a good timing. Okay, well. This might be dangerous for the WAZIR. But 12's troops look relatively weak. But there's still a lot. This might be the worst timing ever from the WAZIR.
A message from
Okay, what the... I mean, this timing,
I should not die.
Oh man. Yeah, worst timing ever, I would say.
A message from the wolf.
My master informs you of his desire to take control of your lands. Prepare yourself.
Yeah, now I feel that Wolf and the Abbot have the upper hand. But I mean, if WAZIR would still be alive, I think this team here would have the upper hand. Definitely. I mean, it's still not over, but I think in this scenario now, Wolf will defeat LIONHEART in the long term, of course, and Saladin will defeat the Abbot in the long term. So it might depend now who will defeat who first. But like, if WAZIR would still be alive, I mean, this team would have won relatively easy, I think. And yeah, Wolf will attack soon. With over 400 troops and also Saladin. Which he already does. Yeah, I think Abbot doesn't really have much of a chance against Saladin here. But I think he will survive the attack, right? Or is this too much? Okay, survives, but it was close. Definitely close. Okay, and let's see Wolf's attack against lineup. Okay, now we have again some timing issue. Lineup attacks while he's getting attacked. Okay, and Wolf is in the castle, but this doesn't seem to be that many troops, to be honest. But it might be enough to defeat him. Okay, yeah, Lineup survived, but his king had to fight. Okay, with defended Linus attack. David again looks relative okay. And of course he has the gold resource to just recruit very fast new troops. And Saladin once again almost 400 troops. Okay, with the next Saladin attack. But yeah, I think Abbott will survive it. But as I said, I think Saladin will definitely dominate Abbott in the long term. And of course, Wolf will dominate Reinhardt. So let's see, Wolf with over 400, so we can expect an attack from him soon. And Wolf attacks. Let's see how many. Almost 500. Definitely a good attack. And let's see how Lionheart will handle it. Okay, the castle is open. Yeah, I think Leonard seems to have a lot of troops in his castle right now, so I think he will survive it. Yeah, he basically defended the attack. Let's see how many troops Saladin has. I mean, he should be also having a lot of troops by now. Okay, almost 400 again. And also interesting, Saladin and Lionheart both ran out of gold, while Abbott and Wolf still have a lot of gold. So this might be also a factor to consider. Yeah, I think the attacks from all, I guess, should happen now. Okay, Saladin goes now first for his attack, which means Abbott will... Okay, wait, Abbott goes now also for an attack at the same time. Yeah, this not might be dangerous for the Abbott and Lionheart attacks. Because Abbott has basically no defense troops in his castle left. just some archers. And if Saladin will now break to the castle, I mean, this will be dangerous for the abbot. Okay, and Saladin is in abbot's castle.
A message from the abbot. I must not falter. I must be strong.
Okay, now he recognizes the danger. Okay, actually survived. Nice. Wow. I actually survived the attack very, very, very close. Okay, let's see Wolf's attack. And Leonhard doesn't seem strong right now, so this might definitely be dangerous for him. And of course, Leonhard just came from an attack, so of course he doesn't have that many troops in his castle.
A message from the Lionheart. Events have come to a petty pass when a king must cower in his castle. But cower I must.
Okay, Wolf's troops seem to break through Leonhard's defense. But the fire is here definitely the helping factor. Okay, yeah. Which does a definitely interesting game.
Saving.
I think it really depends who will defeat who first, to be honest. Because I think Saladin and Lana together will probably defeat Wolf. And of course, Abbot and Wolf together will defeat Saladin. Okay, Saladin strikes again. I'm not sure why he uses the horse archers to attack the walls. Okay, but Abbott looks very strong right now, so yeah, I think he will most likely survive the attack. Okay, it seems that he is going again for an attack at the same time. And yeah, like, to break through Saladin's castle is not easy, I think. I mean, for Saladin it's much easier to break through Abbot's castle. Yeah, I mean, Saladin basically already ended Abbot's attack. Okay, and Wolf is already there with his next attack. But Leonhard again looks strong, so I guess he will survive it. Okay, and again he burns. Okay, I think that this attack especially weakened Leonhard now. And because he doesn't have, like, gold resources. And, like, his economy is suffering and he doesn't have gold, so it will take some time to get back on his feet. While Wolf still has over 40,000 and will attack soon again. Okay, let's speed up a little bit again. And let's see, probably Wolf and Saladin will attack next. And maybe the Abbot.
Your allies.
No, wait. This supermod is a little bit crazy. Abbott is also over 500 troops. And Wolf over 500 and Saladin 450. I mean, yeah. Definitely like that the attacks are getting bigger and bigger. Let's see if Abbott can break through Saladin's castle here with his troop amount. But I think he should. Okay, and Saladin goes now, so for his attack. Let's take a quick look at Wolf. Yeah, but Leonhard has a lot of troops in his castle, or a relative good amount of troops. Okay, Wolf is in Leonhard's castle. But yeah, it seems that Leonhard defends the attack. Okay, and Abbott is also in Saladin's castle. But it doesn't seem to be that many troops left, and... Okay, this might be over now for the Abbott. Yeah, I think this is too much for him. Okay.
I will remember this defeat, and I will pay you.
Yeah, now it's 2 versus 1. And I guess this team has now the upper hand.
A message from Saladin.
As it must be. Another has fallen before me.
Your allies. Saving.
Okay, actually an attack from Leonhard here. And from Saladin at the same time. This is nice timing. Okay, and also the Wolf goes for his attack now. But this now might be dangerous for Leonhard, because he just went for an attack. Okay, castle is open because of the assassins. Okay, now not anymore. Okay, let's use his archers to attack the walls. Okay, then not defend that attack. And I guess next in line is again Saladin with over 400 troops. Also, you see that Wolf, I mean, he doesn't have that much gold. He had before that over 40,000 gold. So at some point he will also run out of gold resources.
We are under attack.
Okay, Saladin almost 500 troops. And of course, to break through Wolf's castle is always a challenge, but if Saladin reaches a good troop amount, he will definitely be able to do so. Like right now, Wolf just defends Saladin's attacks easy. And yeah, I guess again, Wolf will attack soon. Okay, 540 troops in total. Oh, can't wolves in the castle, but no, wait, Lionheart, why are you going on for an attack? Oh, this is again this stupid timing. Oh man.
A message from the Lionheart. So, I am bested, and my poor bones must rest in these wretched sands.
Okay, I guess now we have 1 versus 1. Saladin against the wolf.
My master informs you of his desire to take control of your lands.
Yeah, 1 versus 1 between the 2 strongest player. At least without any mods. Okay, wolf. 500 almost. Can't with plus for Gerek. Okay, Saladin again attacks too. Okay, this is an advantage for the wolf that his crossbowmen and Arabic archers were already here. Okay, let's see how Wolf will how Saladin will handle Wolf's attack. Okay, I guess Saladin will defend it easily now. Okay. Yeah, I think I will make a cut now to the next text. Okay, we have 2 attacks at the same time. Okay, we've defended the attack relatively easy. And it seems that Saladin will defend the attack too. Okay, and I will make another cut. Okay, I told game no 1 for bit, and we have a Saladin attack. A pretty big one. Yeah, both Saladin and the Wolf have over 1,000 troops. There's still more to come. Okay, no, so the Wolf goes for an attack himself. Okay, the Land troops is still not winning. Okay, this might be dangerous now for the Wolf. But if the Wolf should survive the attack, I think Saladin will be defeated. Okay, now Wolf retreats. Okay, and Saladin's in the castle.
A message from the wolf.
Kill me now. I will not kneel before you.